Hello student, till now we have learned various geographical concepts and processes. This year we will learn the application of geographical knowledge. For geographical study of a particular region or nation, its location and extents are of great importance. Location and extent affect the climate, population distribution, and occupation of a nation. This lesson is about a comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to location and extent. So, let's see the location and extent of India first. This is the map of India, political map of India. The capital city of India is New Delhi. So let's see in the map. See here, New Delhi. Okay, so there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Now let's see the exact location of India on the earth. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. Now see, there are two diagrams. Let's see first a diagram. See, equator is shown there. The red line shows equator. Because of equator, there are two parts of the earth, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So India is located in northern hemisphere. Now let's see second diagram, that is B diagram. See, the red line show prime meridian. Because of prime meridian, there are two parts of the earth, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. India is located in eastern hemisphere. So the exact location of India is in northern eastern hemisphere of the earth. Now let's see the location of India in continent of Asia. This is the map of continent of Asia. India is located in southern part of Asian continent. See the southern part of Asian continent. Now we will see latitudinal extent of India. Latitudinal extent of mainland of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Now see on the map, the numbers are shown there, 8 degree and 37 degree 6 minute north. Indira Point is the southernmost point of Indian territory. It is located on Nicobar Island at 6 degree 45 minute latitude. See on the map. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the central part of India. You see the map. Tropic of Cancer through the central part of India. Now see longitudinal extents of India. It is from 68 degree 7 minute east longitude to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Now observe the map carefully. The numbers are shown. Now see the countries and water bodies around India. We will see direction wise. In northern side there are 4 countries. They are Afghanistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan. Now see the map again. The neighboring countries, see Afghanistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan. These are the four countries in northern side. There are no water bodies in northern part of India. Now see the western part. There is Pakistan is the only country, and western side there is Arabian Sea also. Now see on the map Arabian Sea and Pakistan. Now southern side there are two countries, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, both sharing maritime border. Now see the map again, Sri Lanka and Indonesia. Now southern side there is Indian Ocean too. Now eastern side there is Bangladesh and Myanmar, that both countries share maritime border, and Bay of Bengal, that is the only water body in eastern side. Now we will see the location and extent of Brazil. Brazil is located in the northern part of South American continent. Let's see the map of South America continent. It is located in northern part of this continent. It's spread in western hemisphere of the earth. Now see the another diagram. Western hemisphere of the earth. Some part lying in northern hemisphere, and while most of the part lying in southern hemisphere. Now we will see latitudinal extents of Brazil. Latitudinal extent of Brazil is 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south. The equator passes through the northern part of Brazil. See the map. In northern part of Brazil, equator passes. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through the southern part of Brazil. See on the map, it is approximate shown. Now see the longitudinal extent of Brazil. Longitudinal extent of Brazil is 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitude. Let's see the countries and oceans around Brazil. We will see direction wise. In northern side there is French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela and Colombia, and ocean is North Atlantic Ocean. Now see on the map French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela and Colombia, and ocean is North Atlantic Ocean. Western part of Brazil there are Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay. These are the countries there are no water body. Southern side there are Argentina and Uruguay. Eastern side there are no country but only water body is there, that is South Atlantic Ocean. Let's see details of India and Brazil with respect to historical background. See the table given here. India was under British rule for nearly 1.5 century, and Brazil was under Portuguese rule for nearly 3 centuries. India got independence on 15th August 1947. Brazil got independence on 7th September 1822. Now both countries face various problems after independence. See about India. India faced three wars In 1962, the war was between India and China. There were two wars with Pakistan in 1965 and in 1971. India also faced famine. Famines mean extreme scarcity of food due to drought. Brazil also faced financial crisis problem after independence era. Let's see current status of both countries, India and Brazil. First, we will see India. India is one of the major developing countries and considered to be an important global market. After independence, many economic reforms took place in India, which increased the rate of economic development in India. The portion of working population, that is youth, is comparatively high in India. Now we will see current status of Brazil. From 1930 to 1985, Brazil was under populist military government. Today, Brazil is considered as one of the contributing countries to economic growth of the world and a major global future market. So children, today we have seen the comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to location and extent. So now you will read the lesson very carefully and solve the exercise given below the text. Okay, thank you.